they stuck on the whole night. I mean, you could never do that with strip lashes. Hey guys, so I'm someone who's obsessed with lashes. I get lash perms, I've had lash extensions, I've tried every strip lash that there is on the market, and now I'm going to try the newest lash system out there, Lashify. There's nothing like it on the market that I've ever seen. It's a hybrid between strip lashes and lash extensions. The Lashify control kit comes with 4 pieces: the actual lashes, the bonding solution, the fuser, and the sealing coat. This whole thing is $125, and then the individuals are about $20 each, and there's also membership opportunities. I'm going to try out these lashes and see how well they hold up over the next few days in New York City. Let's put them to the test.
Okay, so it is my very first time going to try Lashify. So I have the Whisper Light Flexible Bond, and there's a black one and a clear one, and I'm going to put them at the root of my lashes. Now I'm going to take the gossamers, the lashes over here, and I'm going to use the fuser, and I'm going to take a little bit at a time. A little tiny one. Oops, not working. The solution kind of gets sticky, so you have to work quickly. It's also pretty amazing that you're applying it from under the lash as opposed to above. One thing I will say is that your bottom lashes can easily get stuck to the bonding solution, which is not ideal, but we'll deal with it. It doesn't feel irritating to the eye or anything like that. Look at that curl. Whoosh!
They're not moving.
Yeah, it's not
Still going good. So I'm gonna wash my face now, and the most important thing is that you don't wash with anything that's oil-based, because that's what's going to dissolve the bond. Okay, so I just washed my face, as you saw, and there have been 0 lash casualties. I just woke up, and the lashes are still there. It's pretty amazing that they stuck on the whole night. I mean, you could never do that with strip lashes. I just finished my shower, and it looks like we have our first casualty over here. I was facing the shower head, which is probably not a smart thing to do when you're trying to preserve your lashes, but to think that only this little guy didn't survive while the rest of them have stuck on since yesterday morning, it's pretty amazing. I'm getting ready for work, and I'm going to retouch the lashes so that they stick on a little longer. And now I'm just gonna seal it. There's clearly a lot more volume, a lot more length in these since I stacked them. I mean, look at that side profile. Like, that's insane. So I'm gonna wear these all throughout the workday, and I'm gonna report back and see how they went.
Hey, if you didn't know that I had nothing on, what would you think?
I think it was natural.
Really? Like it's
I mean,
lash extensions, or do
No,
they look
like
like strip
look-
lashes, or like?
they look natural.
Okay guys, so it is the end of day 2 of wearing these Lashify lashes, and the first day that I tried stacking them, and they still look amazing. So you can remove them with any oil cleanser, any makeup remover that's oil-based. It's gonna get them off, but to be honest, when I've tried it before, it's really, really easy to just kind of take them off with your hands. I don't know if that's the proper way to do it, but just to show you how easy it is. Literally just took them all off. Look, just took these 2 off. Hello, it is day 3 of Lashify, and I just reapplied them. I took them off last night, but I reapplied the natural set because I'm going on a run and I wanted to see if it would hold up through sweat. They held up really, really nicely. I didn't feel them at all falling or, coming out of my eye or bothering me in any way. And yeah, they lasted through my morning run. So I am getting ready for work. I have all of my other makeup on, and now I'm going to try a different lash. I'm going to try Lash B16, which is really, really long. That's crazy. Now that I have these more dramatic lashes on, I'm going to head to work and test them out throughout the day. After trying Lashify for a couple of days, I can tell you that this is my new best friend. Lashify application is extremely easy. After the first 2 tries, I became an expert and I could do in under 5 minutes, which is a lot quicker than it takes me to do strip lashes. They worked out okay in the shower, but I wouldn't advise you getting used to showering with them because they're really not built for water. I would use them for every day, but if you know you're going to be doing water sports or swimming or at the beach, I would stay away from them. Again, the kit is $125, but I think it's really well worth it. I actually already gifted 1 kit to my sister. I want to give one to my mom. I want to give one to my coworkers. I want to give one to all of my friends. This is what the gift that I'm going to be giving every woman in my life. I would have to say that they definitely passed the test. I am 100% a fan, and I want all of you to try it now.